The 12:30 p.m., it's time to get some sightseeing done, and you'll want to book a tour to make the most of your time. There are a few options beyond the tourist-packed canal boats that leave from Nyhavn. While harbor boat tours are often cheesy, cramped, and filled with reusable headsets, Hey Captain is the antithesis of all that, and we can't recommend it enough. Small, 12-person tours leave from the city center, and the 1-hour landmarks tour, 200 Danish kroner, around $28, or the 2-hour hidden gems tour, 400 Danish kroner, about $55, each offers a relaxed primer to the city filled with humor and insider tips. If you took the Foods of Copenhagen lunch tour, you'll end at around 3 p.m. and will want to fill the rest of your afternoon at one of Copenhagen's great museums or go for a whirl at Tivoli Gardens. The 4:30 p.m., ready to see what all the buzz about natural wine is about? The Danish capital is among the best in the world for natural wines, and no matter where you are in the city, you're never too far from a wine bar. Den Vandret, near Nyhavn, is ideal any time of the year, thanks to its cozy indoor space and an outdoor cafe on the water with excellent people watching. The summertime pop-ups and weekly tastings at Rosforth and Rosforth's Under the Bridge location are informational but not fussy, and their stock list is one of the best in Europe.